The Ram 1500 continues to excel in the full-size pickup segment, offering a blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. A significant update for this model year is the replacement of the traditional Hemi V8 engine with a new twin-turbocharged inline-six, known as the Hurricane, available in two power outputs, 420 and 540 horsepower. This change enhances both performance and fuel efficiency. Inside, the Ram 1500 boasts a spacious and luxurious cabin, featuring high-quality materials and user-friendly technology. The ride quality remains superior, thanks to its coil spring rear suspension, which provides a smooth experience uncommon in rival pickups, while the maximum towing capacity of 11,580 pounds is slightly less than some competitors. It remains sufficient for most users' needs. The 2025 model also introduces updated exterior styling, new lighting elements, and larger touchscreen options, keeping it modern and competitive. Overall, the 2025 Ram 1500 successfully combines capabilities. Dodge's lineup showcases a blend of traditional muscle and modern innovation. The Dodge Charger Daytona marks a significant shift, introducing an all-electric muscle car with a 94 kWh battery, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.3 seconds and offering a range of 317 miles. It features a unique Fratsonic chambered exhaust system that emulates the sound of a gasoline engine, preserving the classic muscle car auditory experience. For enthusiasts preferring gasoline power, the Dodge Charger 6-pack is set to debut by summer 2025. This model boasts a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter Hurricane straight-six engine, available in two power variants, and comes in both two-door and four-door configurations. In the SUV segment, the Dodge Durango continues to offer a bold alternative for families seeking performance. The 2025 Durango SRT Hellcat, with its 710 horsepower supercharged V8, delivers impressive acceleration and maintains a towing capacity of 8,700 pounds. Overall, Dodge's 2025 offerings cater to a wide range of preferences, balancing high-performance gasoline engines with innovative electric. Ford's lineup showcases a diverse range of vehicles catering to various preferences. The Ford F-150 continues to be a versatile full-size pickup, offering multiple powertrains, including traditional V8s, turbocharged V6s, and a hybrid option. Its adaptability makes it suitable for both work and leisure. For those seeking a compact SUV, the Ford Escape provides practicality with its spacious interior and commendable fuel efficiency. However, it may lack the driving engagement and interior refinement found in some competitors. The Ford Explorer offers a handsome exterior and powerful powertrains but may fall short in overall refinement compared to rivals. In the electric vehicle segment, the Ford Explorer 100% L8 copyright tracker has been introduced in select markets, featuring advanced technology and an impressive range, appealing to eco-conscious drivers. Overall, Ford's 2025 models present a blend of traditional and innovative options, catering to a wide array